Hey everybody, it's Heather. Today's video is going to be about me and some of the guys from the shop, Don and Joey, and I think Josh was there to help, and we all got together and put together the Monster Lite Power Rack from Rogue Fitness. So I'm going to show you how we did that today.
Alright, cardboard, good. Awesome. Alright, so I'm going to lift it up. Tape measure and measure between the legs and make sure that our distance is. Because right now we're kind of flexing it. We want to measure from here to here and then match that on the floor. So that way it's straight up and down. So all the weight that it sees is coming straight down. Right. Yep. Any camera at all in it. You can mess with it. All right. So. Oh yeah. Somebody come over here with the shoulder and yeah, no, this is gonna be.
Alright everybody, so now that you've seen how you put it together, maybe there wasn't a lot of videos whenever we were looking up how to put it together. Hopefully that'll be help to anybody who gets it and tries to put it together. So I hope that was helpful, and happy lifting.